Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that came in the year 2020 and is related to the topic protected area networks. The question is, among the following tiger reserves, which one has the largest area under critical tiger habitat? A. Corbett, B. Ranthambore, C. Nagarjun Srisalam or D. Sundarbans. Now, as far as critical tiger habitat is concerned, it is declared under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Declared under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. And critical tiger habitat is the area designated by state governments for the conservation and protection of specific species. So as far as tiger habitat is concerned, so they are prepared for the conservation and protection of tigers in the wildlife sanctuary, conservation and protection of tigers and the state government declares any area in the wildlife sanctuary to be designated as critical wildlife habitat for this purpose on the recommendation of a specific committee that is formed for the study or scientific study of conservation and protection method. So this is about critical tiger habitat that is declared under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. As far as critical wildlife habitat is concerned, this is another term that is mentioned under Scheduled Tribes and Other Forest Dwellers Act Forest Rights Act 2006. Forest Rights Act 2006. So critical wildlife habitat is only mentioned under Forest Rights Act 2006, whereas critical tiger habitat is mentioned under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Now, as far as critical wildlife habitat is concerned, critical wildlife habitat are those areas which are declared under any wildlife sanctuary where the rights of primitive tribal groups or primitive and vulnerable tribal groups, PVTGs, are safeguarded. There was another question related to Bayagas being the first community to be provided habitat rights in under Forest Rights Act 2006. So habitat rights of these tribals, these PVTG communities, are accorded under critical wildlife habitat. Baga community was the first community to be provided critical wildlife habitat right. So these are under Forest Rights Act, where collection of minor forest produce or grazing of animals is allowed as far as habitat rights are concerned. Now, if we see these locations or these sanctuaries one by one, if we see Corbett National Park is situated in Uttarakhand. It is also known as Ram Ganga National Park, and Ram Ganga River flows through Corbett National Park or Corbett Wildlife Sanctuary. As far as Ranthambore is concerned, Ranthambore is situated in the border of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, it is in Rajasthan, Savai Madhopur district, and Banas River and Chambal River flows through Ranthambore. Banas River and Chambal River flows through Ranthambore. As far as Nagarjun Sirisalam is concerned, Nagarjun Sirisalam is situated in 5 districts of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So the area of Nagarjun Sirisalam is in 2 states, and this has largest area under critical tiger habitat, that is around 3,500 square kilometer area under critical tiger habitat. Also, this region is under Nallamala Hills of Eastern Ghats. And as far as Sundarbans is concerned, Sundarban is in West Bengal region. So the largest area that has critical tiger habitat is C. Nagarjun Sirisalam, which has an area around 3,500 square kilometer, accorded as critical tiger habitat under Wildlife Protection Act 1972, whereas critical wildlife habitat is accorded under Forest Rights Act 2006. So our answer for this question will be C, that is Nagarjun Sirisalam. Thank you.